Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and Razorpay. So the use case here is, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically create customer in Razorpay. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas Razorpay is an online payment gateway. The issue here is that Shopify and Razorpay don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Shopify to Razorpay. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here, and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account, so I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I am going to name this workflow, and I will name it as Shopify to Razorpay. So now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate Shopify with Razorpay using Pabbly Connect. So first, I am going to integrate Shopify with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So here in Choose App, I am going to choose Shopify first. Okay. So now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to create a new customer in Razorpay as well. That is why new customer will be our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com, and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger event. So now I'm going to click on this new customer because new customer is our trigger event over here. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? So let me explain you. Automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new customer is created in Shopify, create a new customer in Razorpay as well. That is why creating new customer in Shopify will be our trigger event, whereas creating new customer in Razorpay will be our action. So now when you choose the trigger event over here, after that you can see this webhook URL displayed over here. Now you might again have a question in your mind that what is this term called webhook URL? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify over here. So you can read the instructions carefully and you can follow them. So now I'm going to copy the webhook URL from here and I'm going to go to my Shopify account. So I have already opened my Shopify account over here, you can see. So now I'm going to go and click on my settings over here. Okay, so now I'll click on notifications. Okay, so now when you scroll down here, you can see a term called webhooks displayed. So I'm going to create webhook. So now in event here, I have to put it as customer creation, this one. Format will be JSON and URL. Here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste it. Webhook API version will be 2020-10 latest. So now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, webhook saved successfully. So now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and create a new customer in Shopify. So I have the Shopify account over here. I'm going to click on this online store. And here you can see an account. So I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to create an account. Okay, so first name is going to be 𝗪𝗆. Last name is 𝗪𝗆. Mobile number. Okay, email 𝗪𝗆@gmail.com. Password, you can create any password. Okay, now I'm going to create it. I'll submit. Okay, so we have created a new customer over there. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have already captured our webhook response. So you can see ID is this, email is 𝗪𝗆@gmail.com. First name, last name is also here. So now I'm going to save it. So here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Shopify and Pabbly Connect. And now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I am going to choose Razorpay. Okay. So now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to create a customer in Razorpay as well. So create customer will be our action event over here. You can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action event. So now I'm going to click on this create customer. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Razorpay. Okay, so now in credentials, create new or select existing credentials. Now, if you have any existing credentials like this, you can just go ahead with them. But now I'm going to click on new credentials. So here you can see enter your key ID and key secret. So here you have to enter your key ID and key secret that you will get from your Razorpay. So here the instructions are carefully written. You can just follow them. So now I'll go to my Razorpay account. So the first thing that you have to do here is that you have to finalize which mode are you using, test mode or live mode. I am going to use test mode over here. And now here in left side, I am going to go to my settings. And here you can see API keys. So I'm going to click on API keys. And I am going to regenerate a test key. And I'll deactivate the old key immediately. So here you can see key ID and key secret are displayed. I'm going to copy the key ID. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. Now I'll go back to Razorpay and I'll copy my key secret, go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. So this key ID and key secret are going to help us to build a connection between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to save it. Okay, so here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So we'll just map these details. So first is name required. So here you have to first select the name of the customer. So let us search the name first. So name is 𝗪𝗆. So now I'll also put the last name over here, 𝗪𝗆. So Pabbly Connect gives you this unique feature where you can put first name and last name both together in one field. Now email. So email is here. Contact. So here you have to put the number. Okay. Fail on existing customer. So here you can see no, if a customer with the same details already exist, fetch details of existing customer. So if you click on no option over here and the customer details already exist in Razorpay, it will just fetch the details of the existing customer. Whereas if the customer doesn't exist, then it will get the new details. But here if you click on yes and you get the details of a customer who already exists in Razorpay, it will throw an error. So here you can select whichever option you want according to your choice. Here I am going to select no so that even if I get the details of a customer who already exists in Razorpay, my workflow will work. So here I am going to click on no. So here we don't need to use router in order to put these conditions over here. Razorpay gives us this option of selecting these conditions here itself. So now in notes I am going to write Shopify and Razorpay integration, and now I'm going to save and send test request. So here you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Razorpay. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay. So now let's go to Razorpay and see if a new customer called 𝗪𝗆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 is created there or not. I'll go to Razorpay and here you can see customers. So I'm going to click on customers. So here you can see 𝗪𝗆@gmail.com is over here. Customer name is 𝗪𝗆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆. Customer ID is here and the phone number is over here. And if you click on this customer ID, you can see we have the other details as well. So I'm just going to save it. Okay, so we have successfully finished the integration here. So now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So now I'll go back to my online store and I am going to create a new customer. So first name is going to be Jacob. Last name is Stevenson. Mobile number. Okay. Email jacob@gmail.com. Password. Okay. Create. Submit. Okay, so we have created a new customer again in Shopify. Now let's go back to Razorpay and see if a new customer is created there or not. So I'll go to Razorpay. I'll just refresh this page. So you can see jacob@gmail.com, Jacob Stevenson, and the customer ID is also here. You can see the phone number is also displayed over here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll show you what has happened in our example. So in our example, what has happened is first information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Razorpay. So now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, a customer will be created in Razorpay as well. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Razorpay using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.